than 11 victims under the time he was the defense secretary. The unfortunate thing, of course, was that he then won the elections in Sri Lanka and he became president, and he was then entitled to immunity of office. And so we actually had to then drop that case, because if we had continued, we would end up paying these exorbitant legal costs. Now, Gotabaya, of course, had to step down from power when there were protests against him in Sri Lanka, because he had really, between him and his family, they had messed up the economy, and they'd also been responsible for atrocity crimes. And so he fled. He fled to Singapore, and then we filed another complaint against him under universal jurisdiction. And get out of here in the next 9 days, because if you don't, we might be forced to act upon that application. And so the big question you have to always think about is, how do you create a situation in which you make it absolutely unsafe for them to travel? Yeah, you want to grab them and you want to put them on trial, but if you can't do that, then the next best thing is put them on the run. The other thing that we've used quite successfully is what we call, these Magnitsky sanctions. And in the States, in the UK, in Canada, you have them. And we've got the general who is the head of the army, both him and his family members were put under a visa and travel ban.